So first things first, I'm going to show you how to use brushes in Lightroom. First things first, go to your adjustment brush, which is right here, and then choose the effect that you want, the brush you want. So the coolest part about Lightroom right here is all these different brushes that you can use. So today I'm going to choose the Burn and Darken tool. So let's reset this so you can see. And so once you've chosen your effect, go ahead. I'm going to make mine bigger here. And then you can change the size of your brush here, or you can, and the feather as well, how harsh you want the edges to be. So I want mine to be at 100, and I want my size to be about right here. So then you can go through, and if you want to see, so if I appear here, you can kind of see where it's going. But if you want to really see where you've painted, go ahead and click the Show Selected Mask Overlay right here, and it'll show you. So then I'm going to actually make my size a little bit smaller for the bottom. You just go around. I'm just going to kind of do something quick to show you what it does. Okay, so then I'm going to turn this off, and you can go ahead and change how dark or light you want your effect to be by sliding the amount bar here. So if you want it really bright that way, you want it darker that way, we're going to choose about right there. All right, so if I want another layer, let's say I want to go and sharpen this part right here. So I would just go ahead and make sure my auto mask is on. So just go ahead and check mark that if yours isn't, and then choose new, and that'll add a new mask. And I'm going to go ahead and choose sharpness, and I'll just make the size smaller. Just go over this. All right, let's say I get too much up here. All you have to do is push Option or Alt, and it will erase that for you. Right there. Okay. And then I'll turn this off, and I can choose the amount of sharpness I want. All right, so let's say I want to go back to my burn layer that I just did because I want to make a change. So all you have to do is push the dot for that layer. So this is my sharpness to go back to sharpness to make changes, and here's for the burn. And it'll highlight. So if you forget which dot is for which mask, you just click it and it highlights that area for you. You can see that there. All right, and then if you want to see what your picture looked like before you made changes, right here is the get on and off switch. You just turn it off and turn it back on. All right, so go ahead and play around with the different effects. There's a lot of them to choose from, and I hope you guys have fun and have learned something. Thanks.